Hey everyone, and welcome back. So, today we are pulling the curtain on one of the biggest paradoxes in modern learning: how the most valuable education often costs absolutely nothing. For too long, many of us have been led to believe that a top tier education means spending tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars and years of our lives on traditional degree. But let's be real. Higher education has become an incredibly expensive venture, frequently leaving students burdened with debt and equipped with the skills that they are already outdated by the time they graduate. But here's the game changer. Some of the world's most prestigious institutions and cutting edge platforms are now offering their highest quality courses, complete curricula, and valuable insights completely free. No hidden fees, no credit card needed for free trials, just pure, unadulterated knowledge designed to help you succeed in the real world. So, in this video, I'm going to reveal incredible free learning opportunities that, in many cases, are far more effective than expensive degree programs, and I'll explain exactly why. If this helps even one person avoid financial strain and jumpstart their career, then it's a mission accomplished. So, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the incredible power of Open University courseware. Imagine getting the foundational knowledge from institutions known for their brainiacs without paying a dime. So, we are talking about the exact same course materials, lectures, and assignments that students paying eye watering tuition fees receive. This isn't watered down. It's the real deal, covering critical areas like computational thinking, data structures, and algorithms. While you might not get one on one feedback, let's be honest, in large university classes, that's often rare anyway. The massive difference? You are not spending a fortune for the privilege. You learn at your own pace, focusing on material that's truly relevant for your career. And in today's job market, especially in tech, employers value what you can do far more than where your degree came from. Next, consider the revolutionary concept of open source learning paths. Many people haven't heard of these, but they are essentially entire degree curricula built from the very best free courses available online. Think of a complete education from introductory programming all the way through advanced development. I'd argue that these are often superior to many paid degrees because they are constantly updated by actual developers who understand current industry needs and not just academics whose experience might be decades old. So, when you pay for a traditional degree, a significant portion of what you learn might be outdated by graduation. With open source programs, you get cutting edge material that evolves with the industry. Plus, a huge advantage is that you can skip all the general education requirements and filler courses that universities often mandate, ensuring every minute you spend learning is directly relevant to becoming a better professional. Now, for those looking to specialize, many expert led online courses deliver unparalleled depth. Imagine learning from a pioneer in artificial intelligence who has led teams at a major tech companies, breaking down complex mathematical concepts in an incredibly digestible way. Many boot camps and even university courses teach you how to use tools, but they often skip the fundamental mathematical understanding that reveals what's happening under the hood. So, this deep understanding is what differentiates high paying roles from average ones. So, while you might need to supplement these courses with the very latest developments, the foundational knowledge they provide is absolutely solid and crucial for true mastery. It's not just about tech either. Consider courses that offer real world insights from industry titans. For example, you can find financial market courses taught by Nobel Prize winning economists who not only predicted major economic crises but have spent decades studying market behavior. These insights go far beyond textbook theories, offering a deep understanding of why markets behave the way they do, often incorporating the crucial psychological element usually missing from traditional finance education. So, whether you are aiming for a career in finance or just want to manage your own investments better, these courses offer an Ivy League quality education without the Ivy League price tag. Similarly, you can find management lectures from top B schools that cover everything from entrepreneurship to operations, giving you insights from leading professors directly applicable to real business situations. And for those who learn by doing, project-based learning platforms, they are a game changer. These platforms offer comprehensive education where you don't just learn concepts, you immediately apply them by building real projects. So by the time you complete a curriculum, you could have a substantial portfolio of projects demonstrating your skills to potential employers. So, honestly, many expensive boot camps are simply repackaging the same information just with a hefty price tag. The added bonus, these platforms often come with vibrant communities, including forums, chat rooms, and meetups where you can connect with other learners, find mentors, and even get job referrals. The proof is in the pudding. Thousands have landed developer jobs at major companies through these resources. Let's not forget the power of fundamental knowledge and broad skill development. You might think some subjects aren't directly vocational, but understanding human behavior, for example, is a superpower in almost any field, from marketing to management to customer service. So, high quality free online courses in psychology can cover everything from cognitive development to social psychology, connecting concepts to real world applications without the fluff typically added to stretch a degree over 4 years. And for general education, iconic platforms have been helping millions with subjects like mathematics, chemistry, and biology for years, making complex topics engaging and easy to understand. Finally, for those seeking highly specialized and in demand skills, think about interactive web security training. Cybersecurity professionals are incredibly high demand, and the skill gap is only widening. Many university programs teach outdated concepts, but free resources created by actual security professionals on the front lines, they provide interactive labs that simulate real-world scenarios, allowing you to practice identifying and exploiting security flaws safely. So this hands-on training provides the practical skills employers are desperately looking for. Now, while these free resources are absolutely fantastic for self-study and acquiring career-specific skills, sometimes you need that extra personalized touch, especially for foundational subjects or preparing for high-stakes exams. And that's where Wisdomy comes in. We at Wisdomy provide one-on-one live tuitions for K-12 students and comprehensive preparations for competitive exams. So unlike general online courses, we offer that tailored guidance and direct feedback that can be crucial for mastering core subjects or navigating challenging tests. And the best part, we offer a free trial class before you commit to anything. So anyone can reach out to us and book their free trial class to experience the personalized support that Wisdomy provides. So whether you're building a new career in tech, deepening your financial acumen, or just expanding your foundational knowledge, the world of free online education offers incredible value that often surpasses traditional expensive degrees. While these free courses might not always come with a fancy piece of paper or direct networking opportunities like some paid certificates, the skill and projects you gain are what truly matters to employers. So stop wasting money and start investing in your future by exploring these free resources today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more insights, and let me know in the comments which free course are you excited to try.